Good morning, children. Welcome back to World of EVS. Okay, in yesterday class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about vegetable giving plants. By the yesterday, we have completed our second lesson. Yes or no? Second lesson has completed. Okay, second lesson complete అయింది కదా ఏముంది సెకండ్ లెసన్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టాపిక్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్డ్ ఇన్ అవర్ ప్రీవియస్ డేస్ what we have discussed big plants, small plants, very small plants, climbers, creepers, etc. we have discussed. Yes or no? ఇవన్నీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా now tell me all of you what is our second lesson's name? Plants around us. Plants plants around plants around us. This is the name of our third lesson. No, second lesson. This is the name of second lesson. In this second lesson, what we have discussed, tell me once again, we will revise. ఒకసారి మనం రివైజ్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకే, చాలా రోజులు అయిపోయింది కదా, చాలా రోజులు ఏం కాలేదు కానీ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్స్ మనము ప్రీవియస్ వీక్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూద్దాం ఏమేమి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం సెకండ్ లెసన్లో. టెల్ మీ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ big plants. Second topic small plants. Next one very small plants. Next fourth one after climbers. Next creepers. Now fruits giving plants. Fruits giving plants. Next vegetable giving plants. These are the topics of our second lesson కదా. ఈ టాపిక్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఏంటి? బిగ్ ప్లాంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ స్మాల్ ప్లాంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వెరీ స్మాల్ ప్లాంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లైంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ క్రీపర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రూట్స్ గివింగ్ plants. And next vegetable giving plants. These all are the topics we have discussed in previous days. Tell me what are big plants? The big plants are called shrubs. No? What are the big plants? The big plants are called trees. What is the examples? Mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, palm tree. No, these are all the examples of big plants. Pine tree, coconut tree, banyan, mango tree. No, yes or no? These all are the examples of big plants. What are the big plants? Big plants means the big plants are called trees. The big plants are called trees. Next, what are small plants? Small plants are called herbs. Isn't it? No. What is the small plants? Small plants are called shrubs. What are the examples? Papaya, banana, orange, brinjal. Yes or no? We have discussed and more and more examples also we have discussed. Lemon. Yes or no? Jackfruit. No. Berry plant. No. These all are the examples of small plants. What are the small plants? Small plants are shrubs. Next, very small plants. What are the very small plants? The very small plants are called herbs. No? The very small plants are called herbs. Tell me one example. Pudina plant or coriander grass, etc. No, we have discussed many. No, rosemary, yes or no? We have discussed many examples. In your textbook, they have given pudina plant and grass. These two are called very small plants and they are called herbs. They are called herbs. Okay, spinach also. Okay. Now, next, climbers. What are the climbers? The plant that grow around along with the ground, no? Yes or no? Along with the ground are called climbers, no? No. The plants that grow that need a support to grow are called climbers. These plants need support. No, this plant need support to climb the to climb. These are called climbers. Yes or no? Support means any other tree or stick they have to climb. They need support to grow are called climbers. For example, what is the example? Money plant. No, money plant, pea plant. No, these are all the etc. These are all the examples. Money plant is mostly in our home. Again, jasmine also. I have told many examples in previous class. Yes or no? Now next, creepers. What are the creepers? The plants that grow along the ground. Along the ground are called creepers. అంటే గ్రౌండ్ లోనే పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ అండ్ నో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ what they have given watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, bottle gourd, etc. These are all the examples of creepers. Yes or no? Next topic is fruit giving plants. Fruits giving plants means the plant which we get fruits to eat are called fruits giving plants. For example, mango, orange, apple, etc. These are all the examples of fruits giving plants. Now tell me, name any 3 vegetable giving plants. Vegetable giving plants. In previous class, that means in last class I have told no. What is this? Potato, carrot, bitter gourd, etc. etc. have told no. Yes or no? These are all the examples of vegetable giving plants. Okay, these are all the examples of vegetable giving plants. I think you all have understood this topic. Okay, I hope you are all understood. మీకు అందరికీ అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నా. Okay, now all of you take out your textbook, that is page number 11. అందరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీయండి, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 11. In that page number 11, what they have given? Activity time, no? Activity time. Activity time. But first bit, what is this one? Color the following. What is this one? Which type of fruit this? What is this fruit's name? What is this fruit name? Apple, mango. No, what is this fruit name? Banana. This fruit name is banana. What is this vegetable? Pumpkin. No, గుమ్మడికాయ తెలుసు కదా, pumpkin. What is this vegetable name? Pumpkin. What is this one? Plant. What is this one? Tree. This is plant only, but the very big plants are called tree. This is tree. You have to color it. Okay, this with green. ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ కలర్ క్రయాన్స్ తోటి ఇక్కడ కలర్ చేయాలి. స్టెమ్ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది? బ్రౌన్ కలర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కలర్ విత్ హియర్ బ్రౌన్. బనానా విచ్ కలర్? outside that banana you have to color with yellow. Okay, this outside this peel is there, no, you have to color with the yellow. Now this pumpkin, pumpkin also some pumpkins are green, some pumpkins are yellow color, no, you have to color it. Under the below what they given? Complete the name of the following. Yes or no? First one what they have given? A big plant. A big plant. A big plant. A big plant. Like this they have given, no? A big plant means what is this? N dash dash N dash EM? Neem. In big plants I have told, no, neem tree also. Ante neem tree ante వేప చెట్టు. వేప చెట్టు ఏంటి? Big plant ఏ కదా. What you have to write here to become this neem? ఏం లెటర్ రాయాలి? Which letter we have to write? G. No, E. You have to write here E. N-E-E-M. Neem. Next, small plant. A small plant. What they have given? G R they have given like this. G R dash dash. What is this spelling? G R A. Small plant means G R A. G R A. Yes, yes. Grass. G R A. S, yes. Grass. Next one. A fruit. A fruit. What is the fruit they have given? P A A P A dash A Y dash. What is this fruit name? Coconut, pomegranate. What is this fruit name? Papaya. P A Y A. Papaya. P A Y A. Papaya. Next one, vegetable. What they have given? P dash. Next, T dash T dash. No, a vegetable. P dash T dash T dash. What is this vegetable name? Pumpkin. What is this vegetable name? Potato. What is the spelling of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato, a vegetable. P-O-T-A-T-O. What is the potato? Fruit? No, a vegetable. A vegetable. A big plant means neem. A big plant means neem. A small plant, grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. A fruit, papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. A vegetable, P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Okay. This you have to write in your textbook with pencil by taking the help of your parent, either mom or dad. మీ మమ్మీ డాడీ హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని నీట్గా పెన్సిల్ తోటి ఇక్కడ ఈ బాక్సెస్లో ఫిల్అప్ చేయండి. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కలర్ విత్ క్రయాన్. ఇది గ్రీన్, బ్రౌన్, ఇక్కడ ఎల్లో, వైట్, ఇక్కడ పంకిన్ కలర్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ సమ్టైమ్స్ గ్రీన్, సమ్టైమ్స్ ఎల్లో. ఎల్లో మీన్స్ లైట్ ఆరెంజ్ కలర్. ఓకే, a big plant, neem. N-E-E-M, neem. A small plant, G-R-A-S-S, grass. A fruit, papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. A vegetable, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Okay, this will come in the exam. Maybe it will come. You have to practice. They will give like this only. A big plant dash. Sometimes they will give another mango is also big plant. No. In that mango missing letter they will give. Next small plant means orange, banana. They will give like this. Okay, they will give missing letter of orange or missing letter of banana. A fruit, papaya is there. Sometimes they will give um, apple. Okay, orange like that they will give in the orange missing letters or apple missing letters. A vegetable, they will give bitter gourd, no, a bottle gourd, like that spelling missing letters they will give. This is this all what is the words present in your textbook, no, they will give in the form of the missing letters, this or either this or this. Okay, you have to, so that in every each and every class I am telling you have to practice the words thoroughly. Okay, you have to practice the spellings thoroughly. Okay, now this is your home task. Okay, you have to practice this also for 5 times. You have in that in a day you have getting plenty of time. Why? Because you have only 2 videos, no, 2 videos ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మీకు చాలా టైం ఉంది కదా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి. కాబట్టి మీరు మ్యాక్సిమం టైం మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ ఫర్ 5 టైమ్స్ అండ్ కలర్ దిస్ పిక్చర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, by today we have completed our second lesson. In coming days I will explain third lesson. What is your third lesson? Parts of a plant. Okay, in coming days I will explain. You have to thorough with this spelling. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you all.